place that no one knows, but we can take you there. It's Jungle Junction. It's Jungle Junction. Jungle Junction. Life is fast and friendly, and everyone you meet. Deep inside the jungle, far from anywhere. There's a place that no one knows, but we can take you there. It's Jungle Junction.
Alright, Mixel dudes. Tonight we're gonna draw the fusion of Teslo and Bernard.
Buzzers ground on high-speed roads with wheels instead of feet. At Jungle Junction. At Jungle Junction. Jungle Junction. Now Zulu zooms around. She keeps the jungle running right. And then the elephant is ready day and night. That fuzzy funny bongo wants to know when you'll arrive. So if you've got the need for speed, come on, let's take a drive to Jungle
This guy
Junction.
got his first appearance on the Mixel Moon Madness special.
Junction, Junction, to Jungle Junction, Jungle Junction.
I see this guy as one of my favorite fusions. I've wanted to draw this character for like long time. There's the bolt. Bolt.
Now Zoomer zooms around, she keeps the jungle running right. And even the elephant is ready day and night. That fuzzy funny bongo wants to know when you'll arrive. So if you've got the need for speed, come on, let's take a drive to Jungle Junction, to Jungle Junction, Jungle Junction, Junction, to Jungle Junction, Jungle Junction.
Here's the bolt.
Here, try, take this. You've done breakfast.
Okay. Pass it down to me.
Do not give Cabo any. There's onions in it.
Okay. Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
Deep inside the jungle,
Fire and electricity.
where
That's something
no
new.
one knows, but we can take you there. It's Jungle Junction. It's Jungle Junction. Jungle Junction. Life is fast and friendly, and everyone you meet. Buzzers ground on high-speed roads with wheels instead of feet. At Jungle Junction. At Jungle Junction. Jungle Junction. Now Zulu zooms around. She keeps the jungle running right. And even the elephant is ready day and night. That fuzzy funny bongo wants to know when you'll arrive. So if you've got the need for speed, come on, let's take a drive to Jungle Junction, to Jungle Junction, Jungle Junction, Junction, to Jungle Junction, Jungle Junction.
And finished. That is how you draw the fusion of Bernard and Teslo. How's about we mix it up a notch?
Jungle Junction, to Jungle Junction, Jungle Junction, Junction, to Jungle Junction.
All right,
Jungle Junction.
got the cubit. Now then, mix!